It's we were at a very similar stage in life when we met for this film. Over the past 2 years, we've both grown together. He had a baby boy, I had a baby girl, and we worked out of our skin to make sure that our people, our team, our families, our audience are proud of what we've made over here. When we were talking about it in that same stage, I said, "Sir, ये ऐसी Hindi cinema में बनी नहीं है." He's like, "I know that, bro. I know that. That's exactly what I'm trying." तो ये है लंबी छलांग और आपने जो मारी है सर, जो मारी है. मतलब we used to discuss यार एक टाइम पे एक फिल्म सिकारियो बनी थी, Zero Dark 30, Munich, American Gangster. मतलब we want to be counted amongst the most elite installments in the genre in the world. And we are Hindi cinema, we are Indian cinema, and we are here to make our country proud.
जब लोग आते हैं सुनाने के लिए बोलते हैं एक्सट्रैक्शन मीट्स इंसेप्शन या मिशन इम्पॉसिबल मीट्स XYZ एंड मैं तभी नरेशन बंद कर देती हूँ सो अब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये फिल्म की मिसाल दी जाएगी कि धुरंधर मीट्स XYZ लोग कोशिश करते रहेंगे. I've always wanted to be in my position of king maker. I think this film will make many kings and a beautiful queen.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing that. And now, ladies and gentlemen,
this journey, there was a gap of almost 5 years that I hadn't made a film, and when I started writing it, somehow I started getting, and thanks to Mukesh Chhabra, when we started casting, when Ranveer came on board, he started casting. Somehow we started getting hold of people who were there to prove themselves. हमारी टीजर में एक डायलॉग है, घायल हूँ इसलिए घातक नहीं. वो सब घायल थे, एंड उन्होंने जो परफॉर्म किया, इतने घातक तरीके से परफॉर्म किया, हर एक ने, हर HOD ने इतने ब्रिलियंट तरीके से परफॉर्म किया. इट्स एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी. Everybody has put their heart and soul into this film. It doesn't happen very often. Like कई बार होता है कि HODs get into a project because there is money is good. कई बार they get into a project because it's prestigious. This was a project जिसमें absolute pure intent. Actors से लेके, HODs से लेके, even assistant से लेके, even spot दादा तक. Everybody was like यार इस फिल्म के लिए जान देंगे. We have worked 16 hours, 18 hours continuously for 1.5 years. And not even once has anybody complained कि sir आप हमसे ज़्यादा काम कर. Everybody has given their best. Absolutely, and that's how this film happens.
So मैम ने बोला
कंप्लेन की ज़्यादा पैसे लगे.
कर दी उन्होंने काम की बात. Please sir.
The languages in India. I believe that we are representing Indian film industry.
Yeah.
Our job is to take Indian film industry to international level, to make it stand at the same podium where South Korea के लिए Parasite stand हुई थी, जहाँ पे Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon, China के लिए stand हुई थी. I also want to reach that position जहाँ पे हम जब खड़े होंगे तो पूरी दुनिया देखेगी कि हिंदुस्तान से बहुत ही international level की फिल्म है. At the same time, it's entertaining. It's not like आप मतलब उसको आर्ट हाउस के कैटेगरी में नहीं डाल रहे हैं. आप entertaining फिल्म बना रहे हो, पूरी दुनिया के लिए बना रहे हो. And that has always been the intent. Second is I don't know about me, but I know that my team went on to God mode in this film. My actors went, each and every scene, my actors were in it 24/7. Be it Arjun sir, Maddy sir, Rakesh sir, Sara, Ranveer, Akshay sir, Sanju sir, everybody was like on God mode in this film.
मैं एक बात कहना चाहूँगा, मैंने ऐसा कभी लाइव में नहीं देखा. एक बार हम शूटिंग कर रहे थे और पैकअप हो गया रणवीर का. थोड़ी देर में देखा कि एक असिस्टेंट जो है पूरा क्राउड मैनेज कर रहा है टोपी पहन के. मैंने कहा इतना अच्छा कौन कर रहा है काम. बाद में मालूम पड़ा रणवीर वहीं बैठा हुआ, गया ही नहीं वापस. he was assisting, and बहुत देर तक ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब almost 3-4 घंटे तक he was managing everything what an assistant should do. That was the kind of commitment Ranveer showed this.
This is one of those films where you'll do anything for the shot, anything for the shot. And when that is the attitude that every person on the team goes in with, then you get something you can be proud of. And I'm very proud of what we made. Thank you guys.
Extremely proud of. Can I call my HODs on stage?